Hello everyone. I think you all are passing good time. Me too. I'm really great today as I'm feeling so happy. Now I am at the Humayun Park, which is in the Munshiganj, Shirazdi, and this program is arranged by Liakat's English, and this is a renowned English language learning platform. And here today I want to say one thing, that the students, those who are really dreaming for completing their IELTS and spoken English course, they can directly come to that place, Liakat's English at Lalmatia D block, and I think your dream can come true. Even also you can give a reality, you can give a fantastic shape to your dreams by coming to Liakat's English. And as a teacher, I suggest you to complete your IELTS by getting the help from Liakat's English, because Liakat's English is not only a coaching center or any agency. They have loving hands, they have caring hands to make the students to go to their dreams by completing their IELTS as well as spoken English course. So thank you very much for listening me. Thank you everybody.